डर तो बस कुछ पल का होता है, लेकिन पछतावा हमेशा रह जाता है। When you were younger, your mother used to say, सो जाओ वरना भूत आ जाएगा. That is only about fear. I think no. Fear is temporary, but regret is forever. A very good morning to all. Today I am stand here because sir giving me a chance to speak in front of you. Today I would like to speak about a very deep and emotional topic, that is fear. What do you think about fear? There is a ghost, so you should not go there. When you were younger, your mother used to say, सो जाओ वरना भूत आ जाएगा. That is only about fear. I think no. There are so many different types of fear in everyone's life. I also feel fear. Whenever I come here, I started feel fear. No one in this world can say I have never felt fear in my life. Fear is a very small word, but it holds the power to control our thoughts, our action, and sometimes even our dreams. Sometimes fear protects us, but many times fear stops us. It stops us from speaking, it stops us from trying, it stops us from becoming who we truly are. Have you ever wanted to say something to someone, but you stayed silent because you were afraid? I also feel afraid. Afraid of being judged, afraid of being failing, afraid of being loved. We all have felt that. Fear whispers in our ears, you are not good. You will fail. What will people say? And slowly we start believing it. But let me tell you something. Fear is just an illusion. It is not stronger than you. If you feel fear, you have to show your strength. Speak even if you feel. Speak even if your voice shakes. Try even if you might fail. Stand if you feel weak. Because on the other side of fear, there is a confidence, there is a freedom, and there is a success. And I think there is no one here who does not want success in their life. You want success. You also want success. Always remember that fear will always be there. But show will your strength, believe in yourself, and take the step and turn your fear into your biggest power. Thank you so much for listening me.